In this video, I will be showing you three variants of program called dupe, which searches for adjacent similar lines. In this video, you will be introduced to if statement, map data structure, and bufio package. So here we have declared our package main for our file, and this program will print lines which appears more than once on a standard output and their count. We have imported three packages: bufio, fmt, and os. Okay, we will discuss the bufio package in just a minute. So here let's look at the map is a key value data structure which provides a constant time for storage, retrieving, and testing for an item in a set. In maps, the key can be of any type which can be compared, and the value can be of any type. When accepting input from the standard input, the line will be the key of the map and the value will count. Next, look at bufio package. It provides scanner data type. So bufio.new scanner scans the data. We can get the next line using the function input.scan and check the text using input.text. Input.text has been become the key of the counts map, and plus plus symbolizes addition, means repetition. If there is no key, when the key gets added, it will assign the zero value of the type. So now we are printing it using the for range loop counts. Okay, you need to remember that in the map there is no order. So when you range maps data type, then you will get random. So here here you can see the fmt.printf which prints. Now let's run our program. Here we are entering multiple lines. Okay, it's showing the count and number of means line which is the key, and count is the value in the map. So in this second program, here we are taking input from standard input as well as the files from the local file system. So we will be opening the file, so it will stream each line of the file and add it to the map. So here as you can see that we have added the package main, imported three packages, added the function main. Okay, which has counts a map. The make, what does the make does? Make is is the reference to the map. Okay, so count stores the reference to the map. Okay, so when we are here, first it is taking the files if there are file names supplied. If the length is 0, then it will just take input from standard input. Okay, so here there is a count line function. os.sddin is standard input and counts is the map. Here we are passing reference. Okay, because the make is creating the reference of the map. Else, so else suppose we got the there are files, okay, which we need to find duplicate lines from. After that it will open the file, check for any errors. There will be two objects written. First is file and second is error. Okay, now after that it will again go to the count line function f and counts. Then f dot close, what it does, that f dot close returns, means just closes all the extra reference values. Okay, so here we have put the line function similar to the past, which prints the count. Okay, now here we are declaring the function count lines. So what it does, that it takes two parameters, os.file and counts. So now here is input, which is bufio.new scanner, means it scanner type has been created. Okay, and okay, now it will scan the inputs from the either standard input or from files. It is streaming. Okay, remember that it is streaming the input, means as per needed it is getting one by one, and it will store the counts in the map data type. Okay, so now we are creating a new file which we will be storing the lines, file name line. Okay, now we are running the second program, go run dupe2.go. Okay, so we are using the standard input variant of the second program. Now we are supplying the lines. Okay, line file. Now here you can see that it's run successfully. Now let's dig into the third program. So what it does, that rather than see what bufio does, that it streams the data one by one as per needed, but there is second way through which we can do that. What we can do, that we can directly load all the files into the memory. Then after that we convert it to string and use the strings dot split to split the lines in the file. Okay, so here we are using that. Okay, so this third program demonstrates that using io util package, io/io util package. Okay, os. So here these 4 packages have been imported. Okay, now we are creating main function. Now here similarly we are declaring the map counts. Okay, now here we are looping through the suppose file names if supplied by the command line argument using os.args. Okay, check that here io.ioutil.read file reads all the data in the and stores in data. It will be in byte form. That's why you will need to convert in strings. Okay, if there is error in reading file, we just need to print it. Okay, and continue, go for the next file. So here we are looping through the data. See, here we are converting the data which is in byte form into strings, and then using strings dot split to split the to get the lines, and using count line plus plus. Okay, now we are looping through the range from the map. Okay, now let's run the program. So go run dupe3.go. Here it does nothing, but when we supply file, okay, lines file, so see it has successfully executed.